Someone said, can you make a video in Secrets of the Wealthy explaining inflation? And inflation is why you are not able to save your way to wealth. Inflation, if you don't beat it, is also the reason you are always losing money. As a general rule, inflation is your best friend if you're invested, and inflation is your worst nightmare if you're not invested. Write that down. Invested, best friend is inflation. Not invested equals worst enemy. So guys, inflation can be good, but you got to be invested. You got to get out of the mindset of saving money and you got to start investing into valuable things. Inflation is the reason that real estate, Bitcoin, and other assets will always go up and that your money is always going down.